Nothing from Scott or Kara.
And nothing from Lydia either.
I still don't know if I passed. I don't want to do this unless I'm actually a senior.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you? You smell terrible.
Yeah, it's called anxiety. It should be a familiar scent for you by now, since it's pretty much a constant state for me.
Why does it seem so important to you?
It's not. It's not. It's, I don't know, maybe it is. I asked my dad the other day about his high school friends. Guess how many he still talks to? None. Not a single one. You know, and these were his best friends, and he just says he lost touch with them, you know? So I started thinking about things like I always do.
Obsessively.
Yeah, and so I'm thinking, what if Scott's my best friend now? You know, but he's not my best friend for life.
Well, doesn't that just happen sometimes?
Yeah, but only because we let it happen. You know, that's what I'm saying. How come when we graduate, we're just expected to go our separate ways? If I've already found the best people in my life, why aren't I not trying to just stay with them, you know?
I thought that was the plan, the dream.
The vision, and don't mock the vision.
I like the vision. Especially if I'm part of it. So that's why you wanted everyone here. Because you don't want to lose all your friends after senior year.
And I hope they don't want to lose me.